Hi everyone, welcome to my another video. Yes, it's been a few days. I didn't upload anything about my speaking progress. I want to be honest because I struggle a lot with my discipline. I follow my mood too much and I end up with doing nothing for a few days ago. But these past few days reminded me something important, that improvement isn't about perfect, it's about trying, falling, and choosing to come back again. And today I choose to come back again. I'm not giving up on myself and I'm not giving up on this challenge. Let's continue this speaking journey. And there's something else. A few days ago, someone left a comment on my YouTube video. This comment this comment is also make me excited again to continue about this journey. The comment really touched me. It made me realize that there are also people out there who wants to learn English just like me, and somehow my videos might help them. And today I come back not just for myself, but also for everyone who's on the same journey like me. And since he asked the tips, here are simple things that really help me. Tips number one, I think don't memorize the word, but use them in your real life. Because memorizing word never works for me. So what I do is I write the word on the sticky notes and I put them in the place that I always see. And every time I pass them, I say that word out loud. It helps my mouth and my ear to get used to the sound, and it helped me to remember the word. Next, tip number two is listen to English every day. If you love watching in English, reading in English, surrounding yourself as much as you can in English. And that gonna makes our brain and our ear get familiar with the language. Tips number three is if you want to speak English, you have to speak because there's no other way. At first, it will be difficult, weird, and uncomfortable, but just try. Open your mouth and speak this language. And the most important thing, makes mistake as much as you can because that's gonna make us learn faster. Number four is I highly recommend you to record yourself while you speaking, especially if you don't have anyone to correcting your English, because this method is gonna really help you to correcting yourself. When I rewatch it, I can see which part I am lack in, which part my pronunciation is lack, my body language, even my expression, and from that you know what you have to improve. So yeah, I think that's all and I hope this video can help you. And for everyone also who have any tips, any kind of tips to learn English, please drop in the comment because it's gonna help us to learning English together for better. Watching everyone, I hope this video can help you to improve your English, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye bye.